Hello students, welcome you all in our next grammar lecture. That you know, I have been started your tenses from the past few lectures. So now we reached on past perfect tense. Okay. So what is the format? There is no need to revise the topic because you already know what is simple, present and all that tenses. We directly move to the past perfect tense. So the format of it is subject plus had, because in present perfect tense we can use has and have. If singular subject is there, then we take has. If plural is there, then have. So here had comes only. Had plus V3 and other word. Other word means it may be object or complement. Now the example. Take one example. I had finished my work before sunset. Means here this sentence shows the completion of the action. Means the action the person has completed here. What he is saying, he had finished my work. Sorry, I had means मैंने मेरा काम कर लिया sunset से पहले. Means completed. It is known as perfect. Whichever works you started, and once you have completed it, and you want to express in your express it, then you can use perfect tense. Either if you are supposed to express in present, then it is present perfect, and past, then past perfect. Depends on you that which topic you are going to explain. So now this is the format of assertive sentence. Now move towards interrogative sentence. Same format: had plus subject plus V3 plus other word. So let's take the example. Had you ever been to Kashmir before? Had you ever been to Kashmir before? So here I have used had. Then you और एवर बीन मीन्स तुम लोग कभी कश्मीर गए हो, इस तरह से यहाँ पे राइटर ने जो यहाँ पे यूज किया हुआ है. बट बीन जो है इट कम्स बिकॉज ऑफ एवर. बाकी क्वेश्चन फॉर्म में बीन आता है, तुम लोगों को पता है हैज बीन, हैव बीन, उस तरह से यहाँ पे आया है. तो हैड यू एवर बीन टू कश्मीर बिफोर. सो दैट इज द फॉर्मेट ऑफ द इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ सी नेगेटिव सेंटेंस. लेट्स सी द फॉर्मेट. Subject plus had not plus V3 plus other word. This is O. Okay. So take the example. They had not solved the sums by then. अब तक, by then means अब तक उन्होंने sum solve किए हुए नहीं हैं. So this shows the completion of the action. Okay. अब तक, by then shows the अब तक. So they had not solved the sums by then. So have you get clarification regarding this in assertive? Had V3, in interrogative had comes first, then subject, then V3, and in negative sentence after had we use not and then V3. This is a very simple format of past perfect tense, and I told you that past perfect tense we are used in when the action is completed, and if you want to express this action, then we can use past perfect tense. But past perfect tense is only for the past actions, okay, not for the present action. If you want to express the present action, then which tense you are going to use? That is present perfect tense. So students, I hope you got all this information. So let's move towards the exercise. Here I have written the questions first because it will take more time, because I want to teach the next tense also. So exercise. First question: the train dash before I reached the station. So here the train had or the format had. So I write here had. Okay, the train had leave. Third form of leave is left. So here I write left. So the train had left before I reached the station. So this is your answer. Next one, before I dash, in bracket the verb is know him, I lived in Delhi. So know and I, so format is had, V3 of know is known. So the answer is before I had known him, he lived in Delhi. Next one, when he dash for 2 hours, I woke him up. So here the verb is sleep. So I write had first, then third form of sleep is slept. So the answer is, when he had slept for 2 hours, I woke him up. Getting it, students? Next one. Hardly. This is hardly when. So whenever hardly is there, you simply rub this knee, right hand first. Okay. Hardly had, then he. Have you seen? I made some changes here. Hardly, I rubbed the knee, right after had. Means on the place of he, I written had. Vice versa, I have done the exchanging of the words. Hardly had he stepped. It becomes stepped. S-T-E-P-P-E-D. Hardly had he stepped out when it began to rain. So this is the format of the past perfect tense. Last question. He thanked the audience after he dashed his stop. So here it shows the completion of the action. So I will write here had and finished. So the answer is, he thanked the audience after he had finished his talk. This is your exercise we have completed, and I hope you will get, means you will got whatever I will explain here. Okay? With this, pause my video here, write down all these questions as well as the format. We are going to start the new tense. The name of the tense is past perfect continuous tense. So I wrote here. You just write it down by pausing my video, and compulsory you have to write it in your notebook. For this, for all the classes standard 9, 10, 11 science, commerce, you have to make a separate grammar notebook and one literature notebook for writing your question answers of the text. But for grammar, make the separate notebook, and in that notebook you only just write the grammar part. And this book is helpful for standard 12 also, because in next standard I will not teach the same thing again. Okay. So the next tense is the past perfect continuous tense. Past perfect continuous tense. This is the tense we are going to learn now. So the format of this tense is subject. What is the format? Subject plus had been plus V1 plus ing. Another word, the same format is given here. So the format of this tense is subject plus had been plus V1, that is present participle, ing plus other word. This is the format of assertive sentence. Subject plus had been plus V1 plus ing plus other word. This is the format of assertive sentence. Now the example. Kapil had been playing cricket. Take the example. Kapil had been playing cricket since childhood. So its meaning is that Kapil had started to play the cricket when he was a child. है ना, जब से वो छोटा था, बचपन से उसने क्रिकेट खेलना स्टार्ट किया. Means here the action was started in past and still it is continued. पास्ट में स्टार्ट हो चुकी है, बचपन से उसने क्रिकेट खेलना स्टार्ट किया, अभी भी वो खेल रहा है. तो फॉर दैट वी यूज पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. गॉट इट? नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज नेगेटिव सेंटेंस. Negative sentence. So the format of it is first subject plus had not been plus V1 plus ing plus other word. Let's take the example. They have given the example here. She had not been trying to get a job. Example, she had not been trying to get a job. So the student, see here I have written the negative format. She had not been trying to get a job. So here subject is she, had not been, V1 is try, I added ing, so trying, and this is other word to get a job. Now after negative we will on interrogative. Interrogative sentence. So the format of interrogative sentence is here had come first. Okay, had plus subject. Had plus subject plus been plus V1 plus ing, then other word and question mark. So this is the format of interrogative sentence. Had plus subject plus been plus V1 and ing. Now take the example. Had he been suffering from fever since Monday? Example. Had he been suffering from fever since Monday? Means here again, sorry, had I am taking first, so this is the interrogative form. This is just the question. Had he been suffering from fever since Monday? So this is the three forms we have seen. Let's repeat. Which tense we are going to learn here? Past perfect continuous tense. Okay. Then first format I have given, it is of the assertive sentence. So the format of assertive sentence is subject plus had been plus V1 plus ing and other words. So example is Kapil had been playing cricket since childhood. The negative sentence only I added not been here. Okay, because this is a continuation, so that we have written been. So Sahil, she had not been trying to get a job. So she is the subject, had not been, that is given in the format. Trying is the present participle with ing to get a job. Okay, this is the negative sentence. Now interrogative. Whenever you want to write it into interrogative, always say had first. After had, subject comes. Then after been, then V1 with ing and other words. So example is had is your question. Verb means subject is he. Been, V1 means present participle is suffer. I added ing, so it becomes suffering from fever since Monday. यानी ये प्रोसेस पास्ट में स्टार्ट हुई है. मंडे से वो बीमार है. Suppose today is Friday. So from the last 5 days he is suffering from the fever. So this is the meaning of this sentence. Means what? इसका यूज तुमको अभी पता चला होगा कि कुछ एक्शंस पास्ट में मीन्स वो चल रहे स्टार्ट हो जाते हैं और वो आगे भी कंटिन्यू रहते हैं. समझ में आ रहा है? और वो तुम लोग कब एक्सप्रेस कर रहे हो? जैसे अभी फ्राइडे तक तुम लोग बीमार थे और संडे को तुम लोग ये बोल रहे हो किसी को, तब तुम लोग पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटीन्यूअस टेंस का यूज कर सकते हो. अदरवाइज अगर तुम लोग फ्राइडे को ही किसी को बोल रहे हो तो कौन सा टेंस यूज करोगे? प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटीन्यूअस. जो बीमार है तो यहाँ से आएगा ना, हैज ही बीन सफरिंग फ्रॉम फीवर सिंस मंडे. मंडे से वो बीमार चल रहा है मीन्स प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटीन्यूअस. बीमार था, पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटीन्यूअस. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? बार बार उसको वीडियो को बैक करके फिर से रिपीट मेरे सेंटेंस सुनो तो तुमको पता चलेगा कि डिफरेंस इसमें क्या है. नाउ मूव टुवर्ड्स एक्सरसाइज. So the exercise, first question you have given here. First, I read for an hour, read for an hour, when the lights went off, when the lights went off. Okay, next one, second question. Second question is, by 10 p.m. by 10 p.m. he was tired because he dash in bracket perk since dawn. Third question. The farmers dash in bracket plow. The farmers plow their fields. The farmers plow their fields for 2 months before it rained. For 2 months before it rained. Fourth question. We dash the match. We dash bracket watch the match. We dash the match for an hour when it began to rain. For an hour when it began to rain. Fifth one. The question is, the workers dash slogans since morning when the police arrested them. The police arrested them. So these are your questions. One thing you have to keep in your mind is that here you come to know that this tense we can't use alone. हम लोग उसका अकेले यूज नहीं कर सकते इन प्रैक्टिकल. ये टेंस हमेशा दूसरे टेंस के साथ ही आता है. सिंगल वी कांट यूज इट. हम लोग उसका सिंगल यूज नहीं कर सकते. जैसे देखो तुम लोग यहाँ देखोगे आई डैश रीड इज गिवन फॉर अर. आई रीड फॉर एन आवर ये दिया हुआ है. When the lights went off, this is the another tense. That is which one it is? Simple past. Okay. So here I though. So what is the format? Had been. I had been reading. Had been reading. So this is your past perfect continuous tense. I had been reading for an hour when the lights went off. Now you have given the next question. That is, by 10 p.m. he was tired because he dashed since dawn. He was tired. It is also simple present, simple past. So he had been working. मॉर्निंग से काम कर रहा है इसलिए 10 बजे तक वो थक गए. ओके. तो यहाँ पे हमको ये बात पता चली कि by 10 p.m. he was tired. 10 p.m. means at night. ना it shows वो मॉर्निंग से काम कर रहा है तो पूरा दिन काम करते करते वो थक गए. So थक गया था means ओके had है ना इसलिए. So he had been is your answer. Next question is the farmers dash plow their field for 2 months before it rained. It rained simple past. रेन आने से 2 महीने पहले फार्मर्स ने अपने फील्ड को प्लो करके रखा था. ओके, तो यहाँ पे इट रेन शोज द सिंपल पास्ट टेंस, तो यहाँ पे मैं लूंगी हैड बीन प्लोइंग. हैड बीन प्लोइंग. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, इजी? आर यू गेटिंग? एब्सोल्युटली. नेक्स्ट वन, वी डैश द मैच for an hour when it began to rain. It began to rain. That is your simple past. So here I will take had been watching. Had been watching. Last question. The workers dash slogans since morning. वो slogans बोल रहे हैं morning से. When the police arrested them. तब उतने में उसको उनको कौन पकड़ने आया? पुलिस. So the answer is the workers had been raising, R-A-I-S-I-N-G. So this is the past perfect continuous tense we have used here. Okay, let's revise the exercise. I have been reading for an hour when the lights went off. Two actions are given. First it is in the form of present continuous, another one is in simple past. All the examples are like that only. One is in past perfect continuous, other sentence is in simple past. So you come to know that this tense is only used in combination of other tenses. In single we can't use this. What is students? Second one. By 10 p.m. he was tired because he had been working since dawn. Okay. The farmers had been plowing their fields for 2 months before it rained. We had been watching the match for an hour when it began to rain. And the workers had been raising slogans since morning when the police arrested them. I hope ये तुम लोगों को समझ में आया होगा स्टूडेंट्स. इसको तुम लोगों को थरोली एक बार रीड करना है और इसको नोटिफाई कर देना है तुम्हारे ग्रामर की नोटबुक में. अभी एक टेंस हमारा बाकी है, दैट इज फ्यूचर टेंस. फ्यूचर टेंस में भी मैं तुमको 3 ही टेंस पढ़ाऊंगी इसमें. सिंपल फ्यूचर, future continuous and future perfect, because nowadays future perfect continuous, not past, future perfect continuous tense is no longer in use. No one is using that tense. That is why there is no need to teach it. Okay, I will get the info. I will explain the information about it. I will explain the tense, but no need to write down. Only 3 tenses are remain sub tenses in future one. So we will start with the next lecture. Till then, bye students. Write down